Pleasant good morning to everyone. My name is Snigdha Das and I am a student of BA 6th semester. Today, I am going to continue with the second part of the topic Oedipus complex or mother fixation. Since my partner Pallavi Kaur has already dealt with the first part. So, the part that I am going to describe is the incestuous relationship of Eben and Abby. First of all, the day Ephraim Cabot comes home with his newly married wife Abby, we witness a different kind of relationship between Eben and Abby. Eben and Abby's passions are quite universal. Both Eben and Abby's passions are related to humans' fundamental desire of love and home. Eben possesses the Freudian instinct of Oedipus complex as he forms an incestuous relationship with his stepmother only to have a revenge on his father. In this play, passions of Eben Cabot and Abby Putnam are the most important elements that cause their tragedy. Because the complicated relationships between mother and son determine their fates to be destroyed by their passions. It seems that both Eben and Abby's desires are trying to possess the farm. The basic motivation of their behavior is the hidden passion for love and home in human beings. There is a conflict between love of the mother and sexual love in Eben. Although Eben thinks that his mother is always on his mind, but he finds his passion of sexual love from Abby. Eben got a kind of Oedipus complex in his life, especially after his mother's death. He could not bear that his mother's property was occupied by his father after her death. This is why he intends to have a baby with Abby so as to seize his mother's property from his father. However, through the sexual relationship with Abby, Eben reveals and discovers his passion and desire to women. In the beginning, it seems that Eben hates Abby when she comes to the farmhouse, but slowly Eben becomes passionate towards her. From Abby, Eben finds his hidden passion for women. The next morning, after their sexual intercourse, Eben says, Ma's gone back to her grave. She can sleep now. At that time, Eben finds comfort from Abby because Abby has become his lover and his mother figure. Although some people may say that Eben's passion for sexual love has already appeared on the behavior that he goes to means, but this shows only Eben's desire to take revenge from his father and brothers. Only after Eben's sexual intercourse with Abby, his desire has completed. This sense of completeness is not destroyed until he misunderstands Abby's love for him is all fake. The misunderstanding leads the tragic murder of the child because Abby wants to prove her love for Eben. Abby's passion for Eben is also one of the reasons that caused this tragedy. Although Abby feels hostility towards Eben in the beginning, she is willing to sacrifice her own child to prove her love for Eben. By the end of the play, one of the reasons that Eben misunderstands Abby is that he thinks Abby's final goal is to possess the farmhouse. We see that every event links with each other, and the main cause of this tragedy is that Eben and Abby's passion do not match with each other. We feel that Eben's mother really has her revenge when Eben and Abby are taken away by the sheriff and old Cabot is left alone on the farm, more lonely than ever before. By this, we can conclude that the play depicts the harmful effects of Oedipus complex or mother fixation. It is the mother image which comes in the way of harmonious relationships in the Cabot household and destroys the family. To a very large extent, the damage influence of the mother fixation is responsible for the tragic end of Eben and Abby. That's all. Thank you everyone for your presence and special thanks to ma'am for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.